again, this is Russell Smith. I am the technology facilitator for Fuquay-Varina High School as well as Carpenter Elementary. And today I wanted to show you ZAPTION.com. This is a website that allows you to create your own quizzes based on videos from YouTube or Vimeo or other different video sources. Once again, that website is ZAPTION.com, ZAPTION.com. And the first thing you'll need to do is to sign up for an account. So we'll click Get Started. And what it asks you to do is to enter your first, last name, create a username, enter a password, and your email address, and then you can sign up. I've already done so I'm going to pause the video for a minute and sign in, and I'll continue in just a moment. After you create your account and sign in to ZAPTION for the first time, you're going to be shown your dashboard. This is where you locate where all the tours that you create are going to be stored. A tour is what ZAPTION calls the videos that you create the questions for. So for example, right now I don't have any that I've created, but we're going to create one very simply. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on New Tour, and it asks us to find a video to add to our tour or to browse videos we already have that are stored on our laptop. In this case, I'm going to search for a topic. So something I think that is pretty safe, at least for an introduction, is I'm going to type in penguins. I'm going to click search. And if you look here, you have numerous different sources of which you can find videos based on whatever you're searching for. For example, if you can search for YouTube, they have 1,000 videos for penguins. Vimeo, 100,000. Vimeo has 11,000. PBS has 130. National Geographic has 488. And you even have more sources. If I click on more, you can see you can have resources for TED, Discovery, NASA, Edutopia, Vsauce, Crash Course, SciShow, and CGP Grey, whatever that is. But in this case, I'm going to choose Discovery. This is a video that I've already searched for that I like. This is called Criminal Penguins. So I'm going to click on Criminal Penguins and click Play to preview it. We'll preview the video, and let's say that I like this video. I want to add this to my tour. So I'm going to click Add this video to the tour, and we come to the page where you can design your video tour. So across the top we have all the video clips that we've added. A free account in ZAPTION allows you to have one video, I think maybe up to 6 videos at a time. I'm going to show you just one video. So what you do is to add the video to the tour, you're going to drag the video clip down here and scroll down and click the play button. And the video starts. I'm going to click pause. And so we want a question here. And in this case, we're going to create a text slide. So we have a text slide. I'm going to add it here. And I click here to edit the slide. So my first question could be, on what continent do these penguins live? Click enter. So then we want to give a response. We can give a multiple choice response, we can give check boxes, or we can give an open response. In this case, I'm going to give a multiple choice. So I'm going to drag multiple choice onto the video page. And this is where you can edit the answers to your question. So what continent do they live? My first answer could be Africa. My second answer could be South America. You can add a choice if you want more than 2. And I know the correct answer is Antarctica. So I'm going to type in Antarctica and click Submit. So we play our video from the beginning. So on what continent do these penguins live? And then you can see the three choices that we were given: Africa, South America, or now Antarctica. And I can add another choice if I want to. In this case, I'm going to keep it. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to continue to play. So the video continues. So I'm going to pause the video right there. So this is a chance to include another question into your ZAPTION, your tour. So in this case, I'm going to put another text slider right here. Type in, how do male penguins attract female penguins? And then I'm going to put in an open response question here. I'll drag it down to the box. So how do male penguins attract female penguins? And then it gives you a chance to enter a question, to edit the question prompt. So as you can see, this other penguin is stealing the stones away from the first penguin's nest when he's not looking. So I paused the question here, I paused the video here, and I could ask another question. I could say, why did the penguin steal stones from the nest? Now I'm going to put in check boxes so they can have more than one response. First choice could be, they are lazy. The second possible answer could be, they are smarter than the other penguin. Add another choice if you want to. You could say, they are only doing what is natural to them. And I click Submit. So after the video runs out, I can add one more question. What conclusions can you make from the behaviors of these penguins? And at the very end, I could leave an open response. Okay, so once you've created your tour, you can go ahead and you can go up to the top and click Publish. And it says you must name your tour to publish it, so you have to remember to give it a name. I'm going to call it Criminal Penguins. And then click Publish. Takes but a few seconds. So there's my finished tour. And you can go back into the settings if you need to and adjust the settings or adjust the sharing. Share the tour with others using Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or other, Google+. You can clone it, which means you can copy it and make changes without changing the original. You can unpublish or edit it or delete it if you don't want to keep it anymore. But if you click Start Tour, you can see it as it plays out. So we're going to just go to the first break, the first question, and see how it looks. So So on what continent do these penguins live? Click play. The answer is Antarctica. Click submit. So as I go to the second question, it asks the question, but as you can see, it gives you a place to respond. So what you can also do, when you're creating your tours in ZAPTION, is you can add pictures, you can add drawings if you like to illustrate. You can actually add additional video clips. But basically that's how ZAPTION works. Then you can post this link onto your blog or to your website, or bookmark it so kids can take them, and you can actually create a class list and keep a track of how the students are doing in the course of your videos. So if you have any more questions, I'll be glad to help you with trying to help you out with using ZAPTION. Thanks once again for watching. I hope this could spark a few ideas for how you can use it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again.